Okay, welcome back. Well, let's clean up the screen. As you can see, we got $700 left. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's fill up whatever needs to be filled up from there. Okay. Oh, I hate this. Alright, we got just seed there left, so that's fine. Now let's clean up the screen. And get ourselves what I haven't checked. Oh, we got another tractor. So we've got 2 Case, 1 John Deere. I wouldn't mind this John Deere, to be really honest, but I can't afford it. So okay, I need to go and change it. Oh, what's going on? Flight mode off. Now better. Let's go this way. And we'll get ready to harvest. We need to get our harvest up and going for sure real quick, otherwise we're in trouble. We desperately need money. Come on, don't let me down. Get a move on. Alright, let's create a job, and hopefully, if you remember last time, it did not work. Yep. You know what? I think we're gonna start the opposite way. And then we're gonna be in trouble, because if I don't have the money to hire a worker. Okay, does anyone know what actually this silly thing is talking about? Okay, am I supposed to do something in here? Okay, no. Because I don't need to do anything there. Alright, what did I do? What did I do? I have no idea what I've done, but obviously I must have done something that it made it work. Oh, I can. No, I don't want to. I don't want to be collecting straw. It's way too unrealistic for me to do that. So this is where having a having GPS would have helped massively. But we didn't have the cash for that, so here we are. It's not like we can. What month are we in? May. May need to check out to find out what the prices on straw, or not on straw, on furniture or planks is like. Let's have a look. Furniture, I think it's no. Oh, we're doing. What's the price? Okay, so we need to be in February. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. 4839, so 4139. That's not too bad. 662 64. You know, I might have to just bite the bullet, but I don't have a truck to carry them with. So even if I wanted to, Even if I wanted to, I'd be struggling to be able to sell any. So my truck is, at the moment, look, we've got some. My truck at the moment is in bulk carrying mode, not bale mode. You know what I want to check before I go any further? Will it know the field here? Now it still goes there for whatever reason. What I should have done is recorded. That's what I should have done, but I didn't think about it, so too late. Okay, we're going to be having a bit of fun here. But one thing that is a good thing is the fact that the trees are not here anymore. So they're not going to give me any headaches. We're not going to have any problems with the trees. So we're at 42%. Hopefully we make it back to the truck. And once we get on the other side, then I can just let the worker do what it needs to do, and I'll get the other truck. Might as well get that one as well. Not that it matters, I just don't like seeing it there. Like, one thing that I don't like is the fact that he did that, is he put crop that throughout the grass. I kind of get it, but not really. It just becomes annoying on the map. So yeah, I really wish he wouldn't have done that. I don't mind this combine, actually looks quite nice. And if we decide to stick with this combine, obviously when we get the next combine, if we get to that stage, it will be number 2. Oh, I didn't clean it around here, so we're still kind of close to the trees on this side. I completely forgot about this side. Now, like I said, I do use to delete trees, but the trees that I delete, I don't count them as sale. Does that make sense? So if I just go and delete 5 trees because they're in a way, I don't go in there and say, well, I'll go sell these trees. I hope that makes sense. So for example, when I cut trees over there, I cut trees way more than what I actually sold. But it just, after a while, it becomes for me a place where, I don't really want to be that type of thing. Because I don't want it to be where, here I have $500,000 for cutting trees. Does that make sense? So, like, if I would have added all the money that I cut trees, I'd probably have over $1 million already. But I didn't want to do that because I wanted it to be, as much as it is a challenge, I didn't want to sort of just go, well, here we are, boom, 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 and then we've got truckloads of money. And for me to do episode upon episode upon episode cutting trees, it would be very boring very quickly. So hopefully it makes sense what I'm trying to say. Like, not even close have I benefited financially from all the trees that I've cut on the map. Not even close. It wouldn't even be 50%. And I did that on purpose for that exact reason. One, I just said, you know what, I'm just going to delete these trees. So because I'm just going to delete these trees, I'm not going to worry about selling them to make money. It's just a purpose to make things a little bit easier for me. Okay, let's put the worker on and get you. Hang on, let's have a look. Maybe I can just sell. Soybeans is at 3.1 in June. Let's just, oh, what's wheat price side? 1.2. Oh, so we'll just sell the wheat. That should give us plenty of money for the worker and a little bit spare. And since the wheat is at higher, where was the wheat such a high price? Store tag. I may even bring the other 5,000 and just sell it because it's way above highest peak. It must be a great demand that I completely missed it. Okay. Wow, it's quite far, isn't it? But at least this way I don't have to go and sell my furniture and all that sort of stuff. And even the soybeans, which is 500 below price, you just sell the. Wonder, whoa, did it go down? Was that the price? It's all right, doesn't matter. That's plenty. That's plenty of money for me to be able to keep the worker going, and we're not even going to bother. The 5,000 liters that we have, I'm just going to leave it there just in case we may get some chickens and we have a little bit of wheat, because I don't have a seeder anymore, so I can't really plant wheat anymore. Okay, we'll do a bit of a time lapse while we're harvesting. All right, so second, but first unload, if that makes sense. And sadly, it's on the wrong side, so we're gonna have to drive through the crops. Problem is that the combine has a bigger capacity than the truck. So this is gonna be filled up immediately. What is the price of sunflower at the moment? 2, 3. So 23918. So I'm not really gonna get anything that I can sell at its peak as of yet. Oh, we're going. There you are. So I'm gonna go and unload this. Got a little bit over there. Got another almost 5,000 liters in the combine itself. So yeah, quite a bit. You know, once I get a bit of cash, I'd like to do one of these big fields with red beets or something and then put a production in. That would be fantastic. I really should be pushing that that tractor out of the way there. Okay. Come on, let's go see where he is. I hated the way they don't appear. There you are. And let's drive you where you need to be. So I don't have to keep driving around you. There you are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive this at the other end of the field and then get ready to unload the combine on the way back. That way. We did a decent chunk of the field. So the only thing is I'm gonna have to sort of remember that the pipe is quite a lot larger than you know what the header is. Yeah, let's clean up the screen a little bit, get it more. Kind of need to be right there. Oh, go, 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 go. This is a lot faster than, this is faster than me. I completely forgot that this is not a 10 mile an hour. I think this is like 17 mile an hour. That's more like it. Maybe a tiny little bit too fast, but at least we took 10,000 liters out of the combine, so that should give it. What's the jumping or over there on? There you are. So at least we took about 10,000 liters out of the combine this time. So beautiful as far as I'm concerned. and is empty. I find it curious. What is it jumping off over here? Is this some? Oh, it is a little bit, yes. Oh. Okay. All right, so we're cutting straight through. I wonder if it's going to remember to go back. Should I just drive it straight through here? See this? You can see the trees that I deleted. They're just disappearing. Let's try it this way. See, if I would have kept the other combine and bought a header for it, I could have had it doing this. We'll see how it goes from this side. Does this give me the benefits? Oh yes, it does. Beautiful. So I get the first fertilization stage all included. That's fantastic. I love the way it spreads. Have a look at it. It kind of becomes, you know, smaller chunks, bigger chunks. Now let's see what it does with a massive pipe behind it. It should be okay because it's right in between the trees. As it gets closer to maybe I need to get rid of some of these trees. So this is what I was saying, like when I do this, they don't give me money, they just disappear. That's it. Now I could do what Daggerwin does normally and just cut them and just chuck them in and pick them up later, but because I'm using the lumberjack mod and super strength, I could, like I said, I could cut 3 episodes, 5 episodes, whatever, just trees, and literally just have probably a few $1 million. And I didn't want to do that. I realize it's a competition, but I didn't want the competition to be absurdly ridiculous on my helping me out, if you know what I mean. Anyway, hey, go away. Have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you. Thank you very much for spending some of your... Oh, I hate this. It does not let me go back in. What an annoying thing to happen. We'll just park you here. And now I should give it a little bit more leeway. Anyway, God bless you and your family, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.